Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fill up cracks in your asphalt driveway, or you can say asphalt driveway crack filler. So it depends how big the cracks are. If the width is like up to 12 mm, my method is gonna work, because I'm gonna show you a crack filler that I purchased from Home Depot that you're gonna put in here easily, and then we can level it with some like a putty knife or something. You can level it, and then the one I have purchased is going to be dried in an hour and be ready for sealing in another 2 hours. Driveway sealing I'm going to cover in a different video, okay, that you will see. But the first part is this, okay. So what you are going to do, first of all, clean it. You see there's some like grass and other things, so use water, pressure wash, or anything that you can to clean as better as you can, because the more these particles stay there, they're gonna make the addition difficult and it's gonna come out sooner, right? So that you need to avoid. Then it should be a dry day. Today is a very dry day, so it's a very good time to do. The temperature is 15 degree. On back of any product that you buy, read the temperature demand it asks for. The one that I have is like between 10 minimum 10 degrees it asks. So today is a perfect day for it. So I'm gonna clean this and then I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do. So guys, this is the product that I'm gonna use, epoxy shield ultimate driveway crack filler. I have loaded it into a clock gun, and I'm gonna put it over there. Make sure like it needs some patience also. Make sure you do it right in the cracks so that it goes to the right places. Okay, I'm gonna do this. So after I have applied it, I'm gonna level it. And as per the product description, it's gonna be ready. It will be dried in 1 hour, and for sealing it will be ready in 2 hours. Sealing I'll do later, but this is how it goes, right? Okay, you can see it already started taking effect. So I hope you're gonna like this video. So let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.